What's up guys, today we're still carrying on dismantling asus laptop x540s. So today in this video we're gonna take apart a daughter board. It's additional connection to hard drive and a CD drive. It's a one screw there, and the motherboard have a monitor connection, speakers connection, have a fan connection, and has 1, 2, 3, 4 screws on this main motherboard and the 2 screws on the additional motherboard. So we need to bend a little bit forward a screen to you, towards you, and that is still flipping back because the screen now is much heavier than the rest of the computer. So 2 screws undone. So 4 more to go. I apologize guys. I found 2 more screws, just holding one holding a fan and the second one holding a Wi-Fi card, which so still get excited shooting these videos, and I'll keep forgetting something, which is not really good, but I do apologize for that, for any inconvenience of course, and I will try to do better next time. So it's the last screw in this motherboard, and everything should come out just like easy. Daughter board. Okay, this is for sale on my eBay store. Motherboard. Don't repeat that motherboard, because look, it comes out with battery himself connected. The battery, okay, it's for sale as well on my eBay store. Gently, let me show you. Gently regulate that connector, and will come out easily. So I'll take up those snippers and do gently screen cable. Don't rip it, otherwise there will be no use after that. You need to change whole screen cable. So that's it for today. I'll catch you up in the next videos when dismantling the screen and the rest of it. Thank you.